Hello, my name is Audrey Anderson, and I'm going to go over how to schedule meetings using the Doodle website. Doodle is a web-based scheduling tool that allows you, it's poll-based, so it allows you to vote on the best meeting times. It's a great tool to be able to post your availability as well as vote on the best meeting times for your capabilities. So here I have already created a free account. The free version does the majority of what I need it to. There is also a premium version available. Right now I'm on my dashboard. So if you just click on dashboard, then this page will display. So you have a survey. So this is kind of where if you want to get a poll, you can use that tool. Then it also has the option to do a group meeting. So this is going to be 2 or more people and a one-on-one meeting. So today I'm going to show you by demonstrating how to create a group meeting. So we'll click on Create Meeting. And then here it brings you to this page and you can put a title in for the meeting. We'll just list ours manager meeting. This is where you can put the location. Today I'm going to be doing it on Zoom, but these are all of the other options available to you. And then here you can add a note, or this is where I like to put a direction. So anything, any information that your employees need to know before joining the meeting, this would be a great field to put that in. So I just put, this is a Zoom meeting that will require your webcam to be turned on. So that way, before you even join the meeting, they are notified that their webcam needs to be on. Then you press the next button and it brings you to step 2. You can view the calendar in week by week or month. I'm going to go back out to the month, and then this is where you select the dates and times. You can select multiple or you can just choose one. I'm going to go over to November and do this meeting every Tuesday of November. And then add times. So now that I've selected all of those dates, it will allow me to do a start and an end time. I'm going to do the start time at 9 a.m. and the end time at 10 a.m. So the meeting will run for 1 hour. You can also add other times, or you can select a specific date. So need different times for each day. This is where you could come in and it'll separate out those days for you. So if you don't want the meeting to be at 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. on every Tuesday, and in the middle of the week you wanted to cut it short, you could do that. You can make the Tuesday on November 16th only until 9:30 a.m. And then you have to come down here, and it is very important that you select the correct time zone because we are not in Europe, which is this default time zone. So if you just delete that, it will give you the options up here. And my computer is going a little slow. Okay, and I am going to type in US, which I found to be the best way. Right now I'm in Pacific time in Idaho, in Hayden, Idaho, so we'll click on US Pacific. And you have to change that time zone to be able to continue on. Once you've done that, you can click on continue. And then this is where it asks you about the poll settings. So these ones are the ones available to you through premium. So I don't have the premium, I'm just using the free account. And these are the options available for me using the free account. The yes, no, if need be is the one that I'm going to use. That means that those will be the answers that your employees will be able to choose from. You are also able to limit the number of votes per option, limit participants to a single vote so they only get one vote, or you can do a hidden poll for the sake of confidentiality depending on the circumstances, if you do need those names to be confidential. So I clicked yes, no, if need be. And then, sorry, I had a pop-up window. All right, then we're gonna click on finish. All right, and then it brings you to this final step, and this is where you can invite participants. So you can enter the emails the emails of your employees and invite them there. Or you can invite them by sharing this link. I would prefer to do it through the link because that way I can add my own context in the email that I send them, and then have a record of it as well on my email account. So you can just copy that link and send it out to them. And then down here, it says this is a Zoom meeting, and then here's the note that I added, the check to make sure that the time zone is correct. And then here it displays every single day that I put in there. Notice how on November 16th, it is only until 9:30 and not 10 o'clock. So we did make that change. I am able to go over here and vote for this. And then by double clicking, I can say need to know. Or I can just uncheck that box. So I'll click on these two and then just press that send. And you're all done. And then I will come over here and go to my email to show you what the link looks like. I just sent this email to myself with the copy of the link. I just want to click on that to show you what comes up when you do open that link. So then it brings you up to the meeting, just as the previous page that I showed you displayed, and then you are able to vote on it right here and send it in. So that's how you schedule a meeting on using Doodle. Thank you for watching my video today.